Okay guys, so I guess my brain is still in Alaska because I went out when I got home and I harvested tomatoes, and what I'm making with these tomatoes is homemade marinara sauce. So I got the tomatoes all cut up. I just kind of quartered them up here in the pot. I've got thyme, basil, oregano, salt, pepper, some basil and thyme or fresh, and I've got some garlic in there, and and some balsamic vinegar and a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just gonna simmer all this down, cook it all down into a sauce, and then I'll take my immersion blender and blend it into a smooth sauce. So anyway, I'm just gonna pick up right here at this stage and finish videoing this out. But anyway, this is all just gonna simmer down for a little while and incorporate all those spices and seasonings all in together, and we'll see what we turn out with. This is my first time ever making marinara, and if it doesn't taste good, I'll add something that will make it taste good. So we'll come back along when this is cooked down some before I do the immersion blender. Okay, so I've got it. I let it all simmer down, and all the seasonings and herbs all break down with the tomatoes. And I believe after running it with the immersion blender, I believe I've got it at a pretty good consistency for marinara sauce. I'm waiting on Brian to give me a test on it to see what he thinks, to see if it needs some kind of thickening agent or if it's good to go. It does have a great taste to it, so I think it's perfect, but we'll let Brian test it out and see what he thinks. Okay, so I am still in vacation mode because I forgot to video filling all the jars up. So what I got was 21 half pints of marinara sauce. Homemade, delicious marinara sauce. Fresh from the garden. Everything was fresh from our garden. So 21 half pints. I've already ran them through the water bath canner, and now I'm removing them from the water bath canner. Okay, there we have it. 21 half pints of homemade marinara sauce. I will leave the ingredients, the recipe, in the description of this video, since I did not share that completely in the video. I did mention all the different things that I used, but I will leave that recipe in the description of this video for anyone that may be interested. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next canning project.